Hey guys, Austin Anthony here. So in this video, I just want to quickly show you how I find products to promote. Now, most people like to complicate finding product to promote, but I don't. I just basically sell what other people are already selling. So I promote products in the niches that I know that is already doing well. And I'm also going to show you in this video, this product that made 168 sales is a ladies bag, so I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna show you how I found that bag as well. But the way I do my product research is I come to Teespring. I come to this site called Teespring. So let me just move the video panel down. So that's the site right there, teespring.com. All right, so you go to teespring.com. At the very home page, what I do, I just come down here. So I'll scroll to the bottom, and what this is telling me is that these are all the popular categories on Teespring. So this is what is making sales. These are the top niches that people focus on Teespring. And if you've been around internet marketing for a long time, then you would know that Teespring is one of the biggest website, like e-commerce website out there. Like people put their t-shirt for sales on there. So any niche that Teespring is saying that is a top niche is a top niche. That means people are selling t-shirts in that niche. Now, if people are selling t-shirts in that niche, that means I can take it as well and go and find not just t-shirt, I can go and find other products in that niche because I know that people in that niche, they buy. So what I do, so I just look through. There are tons of niches in here, categories in here. So yoga, running, welder, engineering, mechanic, fishing, tons of them. And these are massive niches, guys. Like these are niches that you have millions of people on Facebook, millions of fans and audiences on Facebook. So I'll just take something like I know camping is a good one. I'm actually building a niche site on camping right now, so I know it's a good one. But let's just go with wine. So let's say I want to find product to promote in a wine niche. So I'll just go with wine, and then I'll go to AliExpress. All right, because this is where I drop ship all my product from. So I'll go to AliExpress and just type in wine. I just want to see what is gonna come up. All right, so type in wine. So, and what you want to do, you click on this order. So you want to sort by orders. You want to see the product that are selling the most in that niche. So click on that, and as you can see, look at that, guys. Is the wine cork has sold over 6,000. So I know this is selling, and I can just go to I can just take this and go and test it. You see what I mean? Like this is selling right here, and I'm gonna show you another thing that I do once I find a product that's selling. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you guys another tip on how to find even more products in that niche so that you can build a niche store and have different multiple products that is gonna sell in those niches. So like just by going with the wine and just sorting by orders, we've already seen this. Now let's just go back again to Teespring. Let's take another one. So let's say let's go with that camping. Like I said to you guys, I'm building a site on camping right now. So let's go with camping. Just go with camping, and just again search. Let's just sort by. Okay, let's do it in sport and entertainment. Okay, so let's sort by orders. All right, again sort by orders, and look at that, guys. This one has sold 9,668. This is actually one of the product that I'm gonna be running on my camping site. So this right here, guys. All right, so anyone into camping, they will definitely be using lights like this. So it's very cheap. You can sell this for $9.99 or even $14.99 on Shopify. So as you can see, it's just so easy. These are stuff that's already selling. That means you've got more chance to sell in this niche. So if you come down here, you see there are, you know, tons and tons of products in the camping niche, like these bags right here. Again, I've already, you know, I've already added it to my camping site. So this is a good one, and the lights as well, the camping lights. That's a good one. So it's just tons and tons of product that you can promote. Now, again, if we go and just go back again and just yeah, let's go with nursing. That's another massive one. If we just go with cats, all right, just cats. Cat is massive. I've made tons of money in the cat niche. So if we go with cats, if we just go with cats, let's go with cat ring, cat bag. Let's go with cat bag. Let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, so I've sold some of this. All right, so I know it does well. So as you can see again, just tons of stuff. I have this running on my site right now. You know, I'm selling it for 1997. So just tons of products again that you can run on your site. Now, as you guys can see, it's very easy. These are top niches, and there are tons. Like I said, go to teespring.com, scroll down. There are tons and tons of niches that you can just go after right here. And David has already given you other ways to find products, but this is the one that I use. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to that case study that I told you guys about earlier on. So this one right here is actually a rabbit bag, and the way I found this rabbit bag is the tips that I promised earlier on that I'm gonna show you. So this is what you do. So let's say let's sort by orders. So let's see what's selling the most in the cards and category right now. So like I said, I've sold this one before. So let's go to this order. Let's go to this page. So you go to that page, and now you click on the seller's username. All right. When you click on that, it's gonna take you to their store. Now this is what I do. What I do is I click on the top selling. All right. So now if I want to run, a cat side, a back side or whatever, now I can see other products that I can add to my cat store. All right. Because I know these are top selling, so I can add them. So we've got one cat there, we've got another one right there, okay. And you can do this for all the top sellers for the cat niche. So let's just go back again. So let's say cat bag, all right. So cat bag. Let's sort with orders. Now this is I'll show you one of the cat bag. Yeah, this one right here, I've sold a lot of this, and this is the rabbit bag that I'm selling. So this, I took a screenshot of the actual bag, that resulted in these sales right here. So it's a Bernie bag, okay, and the way I found out about that was actually through this. All right, so I saw this cat bag, and I saw that these guys were also doing the rabbit one. So that's the rabbit one right there. Okay, so I saw that they were doing the rabbit one, and I went after the rabbit one and the cat one as well. So that's how I found this bag, and sold almost 7,000 in sales. It's actually good profit, because I get them for about $15 and I sell them for $40, and is a hot seller. Now again, like I said, go to the store. So let's say you found out, again, click on the username, and just click on the top selling. So you want to see what else is selling in this shop. So just look through what is selling that can be added to to your site, to that product that's already selling. So let's say, for example, let's do that campaign again. All right, so if we do the campaign, so let's say you're building a camping site. So you click on orders. Now let's say you want to put this on your site. All you need to do, click on this, click on the username, and then it's going to take you to their store, and just click on the top selling. So now, guys, look at this. So if you've got a camping site, now you can add that. You can also add the cat spot, all right? Because these people into camping, they use that as well. You can add the electronic scale. Look at that, guys. That's another hunting tool that you can add. Here's another one, the fire starter. These are all products that the camping guys they buy, and just by clicking on the username, finding a hot product and clicking on the username, I came to this page, and you click on the top selling. I was able to find 4, 5, 6 other top selling products that I can promote in the same camping niche. Again, another thing that you want to do is to check out the new arrivals. So I do that as well, because in these new arrivals, you're gonna find products that are just new to the market that other people are not even promoting. So look at that, for example. You can just go through. You can just go through and see what's new to the market. What is these guys? What are they? What are they bringing to the market? Is sometimes you find golden nuggets just by looking at their new arrivals. So guys, that's how I find product to promote. I don't complicate things. All I do is come to Teespring, check out all the top categories, and just try and find products in those categories. So guys, I hope you gain something from that, and now I hope you can go and make a killing just by going after niches that people are already buying in. Anyway, thanks for listening.